Welcome, children. Hope you all are doing well. So, dear children, now moving to the properties of multiplication of integers. Now, let's see properties. First property is closure property. As you can see in closure property, like we are having two integers a and b, then their product is also going to be an integer. And we can also write in such a manner that, suppose I want to write a into minus of b, and here which is equal to minus of a into b. Here I have changed the sign. Change here actually means I have shifted the sign. I can shift the sign from the one integer to the another integer. Like first it was having the sign to the minus to the b, but I can give that sign to a also, and the final product is going to get the negative sign, that is minus of, in bracket you can write the product. And when both there are negative integers, like minus of a multiplied with minus of b, in this, here both are the negative integers and their product is there, the product will become positive, because in multiplication both minus of minus, it becomes a positive product. The important points are here. While performing multiplications, if there are odd numbers of negative sign, odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on, when the number of times negative signs are there, like odd number of times, for example you can see here in this example, minus of 2 into minus of 3 into minus of 4, here negative signs appear 3 times, and 3 is what, here odd number. So therefore while writing their product after multiplication, I will give to the product minus sign, like 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, and that 24 contains minus sign. So here this is a rule. So when you are going to multiply integers, you keep in mind, if you are multiplying negative integers, then you have to see if the negative sign appear odd number of times, then give the negative sign to the product. And if you are multiplying the positive integers, then there is a no matter, the positive integers multiplication will give the positive product. Now moving to the next. While performing multiplication, if there are even numbers, even number, like you are having the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, even numbers are there, even number of times the sign is there, then the product will be positive. Like here I am going to multiply the 4 negative integers, you can see here 4 negative integers, minus of 2 into minus of 3 into minus of 4 into minus of 3, 1 2 3 4, 4 times, 4 times negative sign is there, and 4 is a even number, so 4 times I am multiplying negative sign, that means the product will comes positive sign, the product sign will be positive. Like you can see 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 3s are 72. So 72 here is a positive. Why positive? Because we have multiplied 4 times negative sign, and 4 is a even number. Now moving to the next. There are rules for multiplying integers. Number 1, when you are going to multiply one negative integer with one positive integer, the product sign will be negative. Like for example, I am multiplying minus 4 with 2 positive 2, so answer will come minus 8. One positive integer multiplying with one negative integer, the product will be negative. Number 2, suppose I am going to multiply when one multiplying one positive integer with one negative integer, the product sign will be negative. When multiplying both the positive integers, then the product obviously it will be positive, like positive 11 multiply with positive 2, what you will get, positive 22. And when there are both the negative integers means obviously the product will be positive. As you can see here, 4 examples are here. This example you can see. In this example, minus 2 into 3, here minus 2 into 3, one positive integer, one negative integer is there, the product is minus of 6, negative 6. And in the second example, you are having again one positive integer and one negative integer, 9 to the 18, that is of minus 18. And in the third example, you are having both the positive integers and you are multiplying, the product is positive, 10 6 are 60, both positive integer multiplication give positive. And in the fourth example, you are having both the negative integers multiplication, as I told you here.